Greetings and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're about to embark on a fascinating journey into one of the most groundbreaking frontiers of artificial intelligence: healthcare. AI is reshaping the healthcare landscape in ways we could only dream of just a few years ago. So, let's not waste any more time and delve into this exciting world. In the realm of healthcare, AI has emerged as a powerful ally. It's being utilized to analyze vast troves of medical data, ranging from patient records to intricate imaging scans. The outcome? A boon for medical practitioners as AI algorithms unearth patterns and anomalies that the human eye might overlook. This translates into earlier disease detection and more precise treatment plans. Not stopping there, AI is also forging new frontiers in treatment and drug development. By sifting through colossal datasets of genetic information, AI algorithms pinpoint potential targets for novel pharmaceuticals and predict how these substances might interact with the human body. The result? Treatment regimens tailored to an individual's unique genetic composition. If you like this topic, subscribe to AI 360 for more AI in healthcare videos and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Now, more AI in healthcare. Remote patient monitoring is another remarkable stride AI has taken. Wearable devices are now gathering data on vital signs and transmitting it to AI systems for real-time analysis. This not only aids in early detection of health issues but also empowers medical professionals to intervene before conditions become critical. Yet, it's in the realm of medical research where AI's potential truly shines. AI algorithms can meticulously comb through extensive scientific literature, unveiling novel connections and insights that might elude human researchers. This could very well lead to groundbreaking discoveries, enhancing our understanding of diseases and potentially saving countless lives. Nevertheless, it's essential to acknowledge that the integration of AI into healthcare isn't without its challenges. Privacy concerns, data security, and ethical considerations loom large on this transformative journey. But when weighed against the monumental benefits, it's a path well worth navigating. Now let's take a look at two American high schoolers changing the way we access healthcare. These two American high school students are not like most others. Rohan Kalahasty is the co-founder, CEO and Chief Technology Officer of medical device startup Vytal, and Mattapalli is the company's co-founder, Chief Operating Officer and Chief Financial Officer. Instead of worrying about early college applications or senior football and soccer seasons, these two teens from Virginia are trying to take advantage of artificial intelligence, AI, and connected devices to democratize access to healthcare pre-screening capabilities by identifying ocular biomarkers. Eye tracking and brain health are interconnected, Kalahasty explains.
What we're building at Vytal is a way to evaluate your brain health in just 30 seconds using your smartphone. And we're doing this because neurodegenerative diseases are a huge issue right now. They've cost the medical community over $655 billion in medical losses over the past few years, and these diseases are only going to become more and more prevalent as the average age of the US population continues to grow. Thankfully though, we're in an age where different treatments for these diseases are actually starting to be approved by the FDA, but a lot of these treatments are only effective if they're administered very early on in the disease's lifespan. However, there exists no democratized way of detecting all of these different diseases early, but that's what we've built at Vytal.
This is an area that has been studied for 40 years, in which changes in eye movements may be linked to various brain diseases, including Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease and many others. The only problem is that it takes hardware called an eye tracking headset that costs thousands of dollars to calculate this biometric data. Even though many studies have demonstrated its usefulness, biometrics is still not being used in a medical context, Kalahasty said. It was this underutilization that inspired us to launch Vytal. The startup's marketing product provides a comprehensive, quantitative 30-second assessment of brain health using a smartphone. Similar to how a blood pressure monitor gives you two numbers that tell you about your health, we provide a set of numbers that give doctors information about your overall brain health, Kalahasty said. Each individual. Democratizing access to healthcare through technology. The two teenagers' startup aims to overcome the limitations of expensive headphones by streamlining the process and making this biometric technology more accessible. They said they hope that democratizing access to pre-screening capabilities will lead to an increase in early detection and diagnosis of brain diseases, allowing for rapid intervention and treatment. The actual AI comes into play during the gaze tracking process, Kalahasty said. In the past, this took very expensive headsets to perform, But now, we are using an AI model that can see very accurately on the screen from just a video call which pixel the individual is looking at. The information gathered through gaze tracking can serve as a pre-screening tool for diseases like Alzheimer's, providing insights into a patient's overall brain health. All the biometrics we are measuring have already been proven to be linked to brain diseases, so the main thing that we're worrying about is our gaze tracking model as accurate as the state-of-the-art headsets that those other biometrics were calculated based on, Kalahasty added. And from what we're seeing, it is. The goal is to leverage AI and modern connective capabilities to create a biomarker system that is not only highly accurate but also accessible and easy to use, helping remove friction and skepticism in healthcare diagnoses, and ultimately improving the lives of individuals. Taking a long-term approach to monitoring cognitive function. While the information gathered through gaze tracking can serve as a pre-screening tool, it can also serve equally as well as a benchmark for brain health monitoring. In addition to allowing doctors to incorporate brain health testing into annual physicals, just like they do with blood pressure, weight, and more, biomarkers also have the potential to serve as quantitative standards for pharmaceutical breakthroughs targeting brain and neurological health treatments. AI's profound impact on healthcare is most evident in its capacity to expedite diagnoses while bolstering their precision, ultimately supporting clinical decision-making. By swiftly processing extensive datasets, AI empowers healthcare professionals to diagnose and address illnesses with heightened effectiveness. Furthermore, AI supplies evidence-based recommendations, enabling practitioners to make well-informed choices throughout patient care. In the realm of radiology, AI's integration, particularly through natural language processing, NLP, has revolutionized the interpretation of scans. Through the analysis of X-rays and MRIs, AI excels at identifying intricate patterns and subtle anomalies that might elude human observation, thus facilitating swifter and more accurate diagnoses. Jan Makela, President and CEO of Imaging at GE Healthcare, underscores the transformative impact, noting a 30% acceleration in image processing, coupled with improved quality and resolution, all attributable to AI's remarkable capabilities. The conventional path to drug development and approval has long been characterized by a laborious and costly journey, spanning over 8 years and entailing expenditures in the vicinity of $2 billion. However, the advent of AI-powered drugs and streamlined clinical trials has introduced a revolutionary paradigm shift, dramatically compressing this process through lightning-fast data analysis. In this transformative landscape, generative AI and machine learning stand at the forefront, wielding their prowess to craft safer, more efficacious drugs while simultaneously curbing the formidable expenses associated with drug development. Pioneering startups have harnessed generative AI to predict the properties of novel proteins and drugs, forecast potential interactions, and, in doing so, optimize the quest for groundbreaking pharmaceutical candidates. As highlighted by CB Insights analyst Angelika Komatareddy, this innovative approach promises to reshape the future of drug development, offering a glimmer of hope for more accessible, cost-effective, and efficacious treatments on the horizon. We trust you found this journey as intriguing as we have. If you have any questions or thoughts, please don't hesitate to share them in the comments below. And of course, remember to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more content like this. Thank you for watching.